Hey guys, it's PureGamer62 here, bringing you another glitch on Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. This glitch is another way to get into there, but on Infected, the secret room that I showed you yesterday on Retreat, and it was found by me and Otis. I'll leave both of our links in the description, check them out. So basically, all you need to do is walk, jump, and then dash into the wall and land on a ledge. And it is pretty tricky, so I'm going to cut to when I get it, guys. So let's get into it. So basically, I missed this first time. The second time I will get it, and I got a little stuck, but I moved a little forward. If I move to the left, sometimes that happens. Then I'm going to show you the second part of this glitch that was mainly found by Otis. So yeah, you got to get over there to do it. Okay guys, so this part of the glitch was found by Otis, and it's how to get into that rock over there. Now this is fairly hard to do, so let's get right into it. First you just gotta dash there and jump here. Then you gotta jump dash, hover, and you just wanna jump dash onto that rock. Then once you're on here, there's a pretty good pile up on Exo Survival and a place to go, but then you want to just jump on this rock right here, jump up again, and you will be on top of this rock, guys. Now you can move and explore as you please. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.